Alright guys, so part one of the rebuild of it, we need to be taking off this rear wheel because the tyre is absolutely done in. So we're going to have to take the casing off while we're in there. I've got some gloves on now because it's absolutely filthy under here. Rust just keeps flaking off in this oil, and it's probably not the best to be wearing a nice England rugby jumper, but oh well. That's going to be very awkward to get off. Oh well, keep on trying. Okay, so even though we washed it the other day, look how mank all of that is. That's all manky and got a load of rust around the petrol area. It's cleaner than it was, but it's still filthy. Can't really tell what the bolt is. Here's under the engine. This proper awkward to try and get out, but we'll try our best. This isn't even the right spark plug, by the way. The original one is knackered, but yeah. The exhaust now off. It's the exhaust, absolutely filthy and weighs a ton. So we're going to try and clear it out and shine it up. Spindle looks alright. Look, some dirt in there, but to be honest, 25 years
Doesn't sound bad, is it? Maybe that's for the way I brush it.
looks like it's been sat on the pin for a while.
Alright, yeah.
Go and grab the tyre levers.
Wheel looks okay inside, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. General. Looks fine.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe do some new rim tape.
Yeah, just give it a good clean up. So when you come to put it back, again the secret is you put your tyre on and then try and get the side away from you into this groove here.
Yeah.
So when you're trying to get it on, you find it's tight all the way around. But if you can get that rim into there, into this groove, it'll allow it to come across there and just pop on.
Right.
Hopefully. That's the theory anyway.
Whereabouts is the pin? It's, we can't see it, there's this little spike right there. And that's what's nicked the inner tube. To be honest though, the tyre's definitely gone. But yeah. It barely done any miles on it. Yeah, the tyres were cracked and everything.